Hello and welcome to another episode of This is Africa Outdoors. It has been raining really hard last night, so I wonder what that does to the fishing. We're joined by Tristan. Haven't seen him in a long time, so it's good to be back fishing with Tristan. And let's see what we can catch on this rainy day. So yeah, stick with us, stay tuned, give this video a like if you enjoy it, and if you're new to the channel, please definitely do consider subscribing. Okay, and that's a really good rig for big tiger. The small tiger probably won't get hooked, but that's fine. I don't really want to catch too many small tiger.
Oh my feet.
Sabbing.
Well, you caught a nice bass bait.
That's a good casting distance. I did.
Oh,
You serious?
yeah, look at the bottom. Look at that.
Uvianski.
Reeling it up.
I want them big ones out.
So Tristan, when you caught your really big one, you were reeling top water.
No, you want
My really big, really big.
Yes.
one.
You were not reeling top, you were just reeling really swell.
No, I was going like this. It was on the top.
Mm-mm.
It was like this. Look, it was like this. Oh,
Please
was
don't
like
hurt
that.
my paint job.
it was like this.
And then it just came.
That's top water.
Oh, and then
That's-
he was lying in a sleeping bag with a pillow on the boat.
How can you lie in a sleeping bag and a pillow on a boat?
Hey, it says the one that's not called a 6 kg. So.
No, but that was funny, dude.
Just a sleeping bag.
Oh!
Instantly.
That's why we
Cover
fish
water,
these
me.
big Amazon chopper lures.
Yo, I'm gonna fall in, bro.
Oh, I'll snap in my feet.
I love you, fella. David, the whole bag is open, bro. The whole bag is... No, I can't stand on that log. Just get off that log, it's not safe.
I don't catch fish. Can you please close my own gubby here?
No.
Oh, have you seen that?
what?
The dam came up overnight, bro. Okay, go.
Have you seen that
Go over the thorns.
that video that's like
No other way.
no other way. No other way. Only money the other one. The other way. Oh no! Yes, Sibonga! I stepped on.
There's no other way.
No other way.
This is the only
Have
way.
you seen that video? It's like bulletproof car. Someone's going to meet there. And then when it came to the nail test.
Tristan, be careful, hey, there's buffaloes here. And popo.
And you're careful.
Some leopards. Tristan tells me he came here and he saw a leopard eating one of these things, so that must be what's killing all the terrapins.
The middle one is the safest.
Can't make a video out of it.
You made it, BTS Stan.
Let's go.
And you mustn't fall in.
I think I'm gonna sit on this leg.
If I get a fish, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Getting a little bit of a bite, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
It stopped. Why does it always stop? Bruh.
I'm getting Zara.
What?
Oh, you. Oh.
Thick one. Oh, that's
Oh. Damn it. I think I've got a bigger fish here.
What?
Yeah, I think I might have had a bigger one. I hate this so much, bro. Tristan, I'd rather you didn't fish from the shore, bro.
What?
Please just stay here because a dangerous animal can easily get you. It's from 2015, but it still looks modern. Like, it still feels premium for some reason.
Oh, and this tigerfish is oily. Like, my fingers are getting oily.
Wash your hand in that
Oh.
in the dam.
No, I wash my hands in my shirt.
Release it.
Listen, natural environment. Just get your fish.
Is this the first fish you're gonna catch?
Oh, I went around a thing.
This boat flip, bro.
Grab him, my rod.
It's
Grab
landed
rod.
officially.
Eesh, that thing was hooked in 2 different spots.
I think it's gonna survive. I have to go change my GoPro.
It hurts, I'm not gonna catch them.
Throw back.
Psych, I lied.
Stop it, man. What are you doing?
I need deep water.
Spring squirrel.
Getting a little bite, yeah.
Nothing, just
I
Yeah,
suppose
man.
my tiger actually had
He's
no
getting a big bite. Josh, give it some man. Josh, before it just eats the thing. Don't strike two, okay? Just hit him.
What is happening, bro?
Out there. No, just don't.
Yeah, no,
Bro, I'm now annoyed.
not happening.
Just please.
You never cut me.
I'm begging you. Please, just I'll drop you right in the water. I'll drop you right. Tristan, please.
Oh, get it back.
Okay, got eaten?
Got
Tristan,
it.
please give me a
Yes.
little bit. Okay, okay, I'll remember this.
I'm tired of this rubbish now. These fish are eating with knife and fork. Oh, it let go.
Red Bull sponsor me. Did you just see that, mate?
What are you doing, Tristan?
Oh my gosh. Fishing off this thing is difficult.
Maybe if you hook it in the middle.
Yeah, but then you're caught.
Okay, that should be a decent one.
It just dropped it.
Ooh, 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 ooh. How big is it?
That's true.
That is cool, bro.
That's mild.
Yeah, hold this out to land this fish.
Close the bail, you.
No, it's off.
No, it's not. Don't let it come by that funny.
If it comes over me.
Fight it. Pump, Tristan.
It's on the tree. There we go. Small.
Okay, wait, Tristan.
Oh, it's on the tree. Oh, the light is in the tree.
What a legend.
I can just slip.
No, Tristan.
Grab it quick back before I pop it off. Pulls up.
I'm picking it from here.
Okay, it's landed. Look, it's barely hooked. Like, it's on a strand.
Get pliers ready.
Oh!
Don't tell me what.
I don't need it for this one. Yeah. Oh! I'll just chuck him back. I don't need it for this.
See, if that had been like.
Okay, Tristan with a nice 2 kg tiger.
No, Josh, don't.
It's for the thumbnail, you silly. Bye bye.
That's clickbait.
That was epic, eh, Tristan?
Yeah.
Did you see it jump?
Stop shaking. Yeah, I saw it jump.
Okay, I'll cut us from some fillet now.
Let it go.
This one.
How far are you passing?
Not too far.
If my bail was open and already.
Whoa, I nearly fell in the dam.
God, smug, as it hit the water. Okay, get him.
Just wait.
You wanna go?
Yeah, we don't want to gut hook anything. Oh, came off. That was bigger. Big fish are here, boys.
Come to you.
Oh, I'm getting taken.
You know I'm feeling full, so. Oh, come on, keep it on.
Oh, just wait. Yeah.
Nearly dropped.
This is so much fun.
I told you, if you stick out the rain. Just after the rain is when the fish bite. Even after.
Yeah, it's true.
The fish will easily.
Be careful of the popper. Yeah, David, here's your rod. David, can you cut me a fillet?
Did I break the cycle?
Please don't be like that. Please. Cut me a liffet, please. I need one. I'm skunked. Have mercy on me.
John, I know where you skunked it. Oh, yeah. Oh, I dropped it. No, it's good.
This is the best fishing spot ever.
Right, let me go.
Come on.
Oh, you hooked it weirdly. It's like gone onto the boat.
I know, that's what I wanted. I can't catch any fish.
I need a new season.
Yet another bite.
I can't call that thing small.
Okay, this thing, I'm not joking. This thing is dying today. This thing is not coming off. I refuse.
Who likes the fish?
Tristan, go get it.
Don't fall, okay? You just go scoot. Let's get out of that tree like nothing.
Grab it, John.
Oh, you can see my bail.
What did it follow?
On the Zubate hook.
I hate the fish that just pick it and drop it. We need something to drop.
It's the dang. We'll make it work.
We'll make it happen now.
Oh yeah?
Just stop.
It's so nice and droppers yet because you can go nice places. Oh yeah, did you see that?
It's running fast.
They just drop
You're going pretty fly. I'm gonna go. Oh my god.
I'm getting a bite.
No, come on. Oh, lucky I went when it was there. It was going to like
Oh, it let go.
Just don't even make any sound with your thing. Then you just try to do that.
Oh, come on. Do you see this? They're just getting
Isn't real? That was you. I cast it first.
Oh, it's bad. And he goes. He's out there. And he goes. I mean, okay, anyway, he's so small. Probably with the hole in his mouth out. Oh! That was big. Oh, last one. $10,000, $10,000. Don't get your mom, you get your dad.
Is it a big one? It's gonna come off. How big is it?
Come now.
Boat flip. Yeah, let me hold the rod for you.
Oh man.
What?
Did you swallow the hook?
Make
I
a
didn't
tail
cover
walk.
in nets because it's being a
Oh, a tail walk. That was a cool one. It's a bass.
It's one of those. What happened?
What the hell, boy?
Boy, what the hell? What the hell, boy? What the hell? What the hell?
Can I do some things here?
It's bleeding.
Guys, We have all
No, that's not bleeding. It's blood from before.
that both Solar has learned some bad words.
That's being kept.
What?
Well, I don't know if you can release it, then release it.
Help me find flowers.
Conker.
Yeah, David, here's your rod. I can't hold it.
Help me find flowers.
David, hold the rod. I can't hold it.
Help me find flowers.
I'm getting bites.
You know.
Was that you?
You know.
No, I am getting a bite.
already.
I'm getting a bite.
No, you're not.
Yeah. How dare you say I'm not getting a bite when I am?
RC.
I hope it ate the part with the hook on it.
RC. RC. No, really, I'm out. I'll get.
Okay, you wait until...
I'll call you. Call you. I said. Come on.
Oh! So small. It's eating. David, this is... that was a big one.
Isn't it like this? I really like it.
Once it's like that, you should...
Yeah, but it wasn't that big. I could, because then a big one, you see like... when it was a small, it was like...
First you say that 2.8. Like it's only this way.
Toss down there again. Bloody bastard. What's going on with this wheel though? Like, the rod bends so much it doesn't take drag, so like, it just feels like there's nothing, like it...
We put a big one. Is it all?
It's a big one! It's on.
Real Tristan, get it. Tristan, pull.
This one is a small one. It took it again.
Did you come here and fill it?
I forgot. I'm sorry.
You're a
My drag is pretty decently thin. That one was big, but it dropped it and then it... That one was big and it dropped it and small one.
Tristan is bad at fishing.
See what I'm saying? It has no resistance to the...
Tighten the drag.
No, like the rod just goes... Oh, she's getting someone.
I'm a fake man.
Oh.
Hold on.
Oh,
that was a rock.
Oh,
That was a...
you can't be serious. No ways. It was fighting hard.
You were just dragging that poor thing.
Did you see that? That was insane. That was insane.
Oh, what?
What is going on, man?
What is actually happening here?
Fucking hell. Hey, what is he yanking about? Trying. That's a small one. You know? Blacktails are dumb anyway.
No, they're not.
Get him. Run, got it.
Okay, guys, let's go stand on the bank so the wagtail can come to its nest.
If you stand at the iron, the whitetail will listen to come. Oh no, he's gonna come and bite me. Chunky one. The fish are almost bad actually. Like I could have a full day of it.
Guys, I think this thing is worried that its babies are gonna die. Let's just leave for a bit.
Okay.
This thing has been eating flying ants.
Look how fat its stomach is.
Because it has a flying ant wing in its mouth.
I'll come up and you're yanking him right here. Twist it.
Twist it. Pop it. Oh, look, it's coming.
Nice little tiger.
Oh.
Pull up.
Okay guys, let's get off the log quickly. We can leave our stuff. Let's just get off the log quickly. Yeah, we'll bring the fillet. Let's just let the bird come to its nest and feed its babies.
Stop.
No, it's a fish.
It's a fish that's on the surface.
It's a good size. Yeah, let me just hold the rod for you and then you can easily get it off.
It's so sore though. Stop. Just then get up the water. Get up the water. Right.
It's actually a good place to have a braai.
Shh. Hold that for the GoPro.
Listen, it's not going anywhere. I'll slap you.
Okay, here, I'm getting a bite. Can you hold your rod? Oh, it's full.
I got her.
Oh, that is too long. Oh my gosh, that is huge.
Tristan.
Get out the water.
Okay, there. Hold it. Don't let it get hurt. David, you need a photo with that.
Oh no, man.
Cut the
like
line.
mine.
If it swallowed it, just cut the line.
Oh, blood's coming out. It's dead.
It's dead. It's fine. Have a photo?
Oh my gosh, I think
No, you can give that to Muxie, David.
Who's carrying it back, please?
David, just give it to Muxie.
Hey man, chill.
It's like not a bad time to eat.
I want to get a photo. Yeah. It's dead. Okay, so a nice tiger caught by David. Sadly, it did get hooked in the gills, so this one will be eaten. But yeah, it's a pretty cool tiger. Nice size, gave a good fight. Yummy. Yo, there's a big wave coming. No, not big wave. Thank you all for watching this episode of This is Africa Outdoors. I really hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, and if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. We'll see you all in the next episode.